What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be finding the integral of the following function here. As you can see, we have sigma 2 sine x multiplied by cos x dx. Remember, dx means we are integrating with respect to x. Alright, if you think you can do this one, pause the video and do it, and let's see if you're gonna able to find the right answer at the end of this video. Now, if you're new on this channel, I would say to you, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification whenever you subscribe, so that whenever I upload a video, you can able to see that new video. Alright guys, if you want to watch my previous videos that I've already uploaded, you can go to the playlist section and watch the videos according to the subject that you want to learn about. Alright, so let's continue. So look at this problem here guys. You cannot differentiate, you cannot integrate this one guys. You need to simplify it. Now this one requires you to know the double angle. As you can see, this is a double angle identity. So the double angle identity here, remember, when you simplify, the sigma and dx, they remain. The double angle identity here is sine 2x, now dx, right? So this is a double angle identity. Just in case you don't know where this double angle identity came about, there is a video here that I made for you. Go and watch to remind yourself or to learn how we get to this, right? Okay, now let's do it. Now when it's like this, we can able to integrate this. Now we need to write the formula for integrating sine. So guys, sine, if you still remember, you can say sine and x dx, right? The integral of sine, it's negative cos n x over n plus c. Let us not forget that c stands for indefinite integrals. On another video I made a mistake. I said something like infinity integral. That is indefinite. I hope you managed to see that one. Alright, and also c stands for a constant as well, so do not forget to write plus c. Now let's find the integral. Now when you look at this, this is going to be negative cos 2x divided by, what is n? N is 2 plus c, and that is your final answer, right? That is your final answer, guys. If it so happen that you didn't understand what happened here, rewatch the video, and you also can leave a comment section. You can leave a comment in the comment section. But if this video did help you, like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, so that whenever I upload the video, you can able to see it as soon as I upload. Again guys, you can share this video to your friends who are doing the very same math problems. Okay guys, at the end of this video, there will be a playlist that's going to pop up there on the screen. If you want to watch other videos where I integrated the trigonometric functions, click on that playlist and watch them in a sequence order. It will help you to understand. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.